Inspired by the Shingle-style architecture, this quintessential mega mansion is nestled on 15 private acres in Morristown, New Jersey. Grandeur awaits at this magnificent 30,000 square foot custom retreat built in 2005 by Wesketch architects, known for their thoughtful, sustainable design innovations in traditional and transitional architecture. Both the exterior and interior environs are expansive in scale and exquisite for entertaining, affording a seamless flow living with access to the magnificent outdoors from all major rooms. Every meticulous detail of this 6-bedroom, 12.5 bath home have been carefully selected and artfully designed to sheer perfection. Upon entering the voluminous 2-story entry hall, graced by a sweeping limestone staircase and majestic fireplace, you are taken away by elegance. Soaring 10 to 15 architecturally distinctive ceilings lend airiness throughout the house, with generously proportioned rooms of unique styles adorned with extensive wainscoting, moldings, and millwork, graceful columns, intricate built-ins, the finest European light fixtures. 13 imported fireplaces from Italy and Portugal, plus countless other stunning details. The main level is an entertainer's haven with large light-filled gracious rooms and awning family room that spills out to the rear porch via triple sets of French doors. Masterpiece gourmet Italian chef's kitchen adorned with 2 islands, plaster ceiling beams with sun-drenched breakfast room. A pub room with a custom bar, stately library, and study. Ascend the work of art staircase to the master suite, a luxurious sanctuary glamorized by his and hers bathrooms, sitting areas, huge custom-fitted closets, opulent spa baths, and an outdoor jacuzzi for romantic moments. A dream residence in a spectacular resort-like setting graced by pristine landscaping, 80,000-gallon oval swimming pool, a pool house, stretching lawn areas, 3 outdoor kitchens, and a separate guest house. The home first hit the market in 2016 for $45 million. It was reduced to $39 million and again to $29 million a year later. It was last on the market for $22 million in 2020.